Tired of your business data feeling as disorganized as this desk? Then you've come to the right place, because today, we're demystifying a fundamental part of Zoho CRM modules. In its simplest form, modules are containers. Think of them like labeled folders in a well-organized filing cabinet. Each module is designed to hold a specific type of information. The leads module, for example, neatly stores details about potential customers, such as their name, company, email, and phone number. This keeps all your leads centralized and easily accessible. Similarly, the contacts module holds information about people you already have a relationship with, and the deals module tracks your sales opportunities, including deal size, stage, and closing date. But here's where it gets powerful. Zoho CRM lets you customize these modules. You can add new fields to capture the specific data that matters most to your business, rename modules to better suit your workflow, and even create entirely new custom modules. These customization options makes it flexible to fit your unique business needs. By organizing your data into modules, you gain better visibility, improved efficiency, and the ability to make smarter, data-driven decisions. So, if you're ready to transform your business data from chaos to clarity, understanding modules is the first step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tips and tricks.